1 and 2, 3 and 4. Look at here, okay? You brush front on 5. You slowly repeat back on 6. Repeat again 7. Slowly repeat back on 8. We do 4 fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simply leg up to 45 degrees. 5, 6, 7, 8. Finish it up. Okay, from back reverse, back totally same. Slow first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at my upper body. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 4 fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. And back. Work on the heel. Nice turn out. Nice turn out. And then plie. Plie, circle to the front. 4 counts. Plie to the bar. 5. Circle back. 4 counts. Count your back. Slide down all the way. And then up. Work on your along the arm. Make a beautiful V. Finish. Arm open. 2 slow round rounds. Up body. Good. Up body. And up. And back. Work up body. 4 fast. 1, 2. Feel smooth. Good. Leg up. To the side. To the back. Plie small plie back. Fall back. 1, 2, 3. Good. Again. Remember, brush to the front. Brush back to the front. 4 fast. Slow. Good. Line up. Side. Front. Plie. Brace the plie to the bar. Circle front. And up. Brace. Circle back. Beautiful. Come to back, slide down. Up, so. Use your hand. Hand look down.